Here's a super simple way to reset your password on Instagram, and I always recommend people do this every few months anyway. All you have to do is go to your Instagram profile right here on this page, and then press the three lines right here to go to this page, and go to settings first. And once in settings, there's an option for security. Jump into this page, and here right on top there's an option for password. And by default, you do have to type in your current password to reset it with a new one, and then the new one here again. I'll show you what happens if you forget your password though. There's another page for that. And just like that, you have a new password on Instagram. Now, if you forgot your Instagram password, when you log out of an account, in case you forgot a password, you'll come to this page. And here what you need to do is just press forgot password here and try to reset it this way. Now this requires a couple of things. You either have to put in a username with your email here or with a phone number here, and then it will try to send you a recovery. I do have a different video if you forgot your password you should watch, but that's how you reset your password on Instagram if you already know your password. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you next time.